Today I'm going to show you how you can make Girondelle earrings. A Girondelle earring is recognized because it has 3 drops, and that's about what I know how to describe them. They were very popular during the 18th century and from then on. I'm going to make Girondelle earrings today. Girondelle earrings can be recognized because they have 3 drops, and I'm going to use the small drop of these earrings that are actually the part you put in your ear, but I'm going to take away the pin and use the drop instead. And let's begin. So first I have to take off this drop, and I do that by opening the ring on this so I can take it off. Then remove the plug for the earring. Take a tongue and just remove the stick, because we don't need that. Then take a file and make the back smooth. We don't want anyone to get hurt on our jewelry. Okay, so just feel if it's okay, and it's starting to be. I just need to have a little more on the inside. So see if I can use the file there. Okay, that is better. Just a little more here. So, and then I'll do it on the rest of the 6 earrings I have. I have fixed my drops. Then I have to compose the earrings. I have these that are parts of other earrings that I have bought, mostly for the perfect downside here, but since I already used that, I will use these now. I have a middle part here that I plan to use to get the drops, get more in the same line here, or let the middle drop go down a bit. Like that. So what I need to do now is try to attach them all here. And the drops have their own hooks, and this one also has its own hooks, but since these goes in the same direction, I can't just put one on the other. That will make the drop go sideways. So I need to find a way to make the earrings level. So what I do think is that this hook is a little bit too thick for these earrings. So I will try to just cut them off completely. Like that. Take the file again and see that it is into sharp so anyone hurts themselves. Like that. And I will try to drill in the end here, and if I can't do that, I will just take away the stone that is furthest down here and drill in that. Let's hope I made a hole now and not just missed it. Well, looks like I made it. So the same with the other. Good. Like that. So managed to file it too far. Okay, I have another piece, so I just prepare that one. That's the good thing about buying lots of earrings. you have lots of pieces to play with. So again, okay, I think I made it this time. Just try a little carefully now. Are in place, and now I need to have something to make that one up there, so I can put this one down here. So I'll take a hat pin and these are quite conveniently with a ring on, so I'll just use that one. So I take like that. Okay, perhaps it was a little too small. Well, that happens. So take the hat pin, go around, cut it off. Just take the other. So like that. Now the thing I have to find is something to put on top of the earrings. If you have clips, you can use that. And for this, it is quite easy because they have these rings like on the drops. Just have to close them like that. Or use a pair of stud earrings. And there we have a pair of Girondelle earrings.